Let's have the agenda clear and understand the objectives as to what we're going to learn in this video series. Microsoft has made a powerful cloud platform that can let you build infrastructure not just with the graphical user interface, but also with a code. And that code could be written with JavaScript object notations. It can understand .NET framework. It can also understand PowerShell, CLI, Ruby on Rails, Python. Well, to talk about the language, Microsoft Azure supports it. So it's about deploying the infrastructure with a code instead of deploying it with the GUI. Why do we need to do that? Well, we need to do that primarily because it really helps the administrators perform repeatable deployments much easier. Well, what is it? Well, in this video series, we'll learn about that. What is a repeatable deployment? What is a resource provider? How do you link up PowerShell with ARM templates, and how do you make sure that your laptop or the desktop from where you're performing those activities is ready? It has the prerequisites installed, right? So the whole objective is to automate as much as possible. So we will be learning about ARM templates, which stands for Azure Resource Manager Templates. How do you start building it? How do you call the ARM template with PowerShell? And if somebody is sharing the ARM template or a JSON template from probably a GitHub, right? So your developer or senior shares the template from the internet. How do you call it using PowerShell and start building the infrastructure? We'll start learning that as well. So you probably may have to upgrade your PowerShell on your machines, and at Macs have a Notepad installed, or Notepad++ is the preferred editor that I always use, and I recommend that you install that as well, right? So let's get started.